Alright, all you happy YouTuber. Oh man, I shouldn't have did that. Looks like a haze is floating around in here. Blew the radiator out. Alright, the teardown is almost complete. One thing I got left is the crank and the cam. It's right here. But as it's sitting in here, I could pull it out. But it's just sitting right there. Uh-oh, I took it out of time. Damn it. Nope, show off. 1, 2. Nope, that's me. Right there. Nope. Oh, come on. Well, anyway. Oh, too far again. There you go. Alright. Basically, the cam's just sitting there. These are the cam followers. They ride on top of all the little lobes right here. Can't find my finger. It basically just goes up, down, push rods up, down. That's what makes your valves work. And this is what it looks like inside the block. A big diesel truck. But this DeWalt tools, not all of them are mine, but no, DeWalt did not sponsor me either. But these are the tools we used. That's what it looks like inside a diesel engine without the piston and the sleeve. That's your crank, cam, big bolt holes for the bolts, water ports for your heads. Got them all out. Backside motor. It's a little dirty, but leftover. Got gently used antifreeze and oil if somebody wants it. But here's what's about kind of dumbfounds me. This is the rod. They got a few miles on them. All more like that. Give you the idea how big these jugs are, or liners. This is my hand, and I could just kind of stick both of them in there if I tried. That's what they look like when they've been in there for a while and sit way too long. That's where it's getting hot at right there. Yeah, it's got a little rust on them. This is number 6. That's the bad one right here. Oh, let's see. Oh, turn my flashlight back on so you guys can see. Where's it at? Oh, right there. The marks right there. That's from a piston ring being broke and just sliding up and down. It was a matter of time before it wore a hole in it. Then I'll be puking antifreeze in it. Then all that happy jazz. So, but just got to do the crank and cam. Got a handy dandy workless tool. That's what I think about it. But here's the broken ring. That's half of it. As soon as Marco popped it out, it come flying out. That's the bottom caps, pulley, oil pump. The clutch is still really good. It's pretty much looking like brand new still. Front motor mount bracket. My new bell housing. Front cover and a power steering pump. back motor mounts. Yep. Hey, I didn't think I'd stirred up that much dirt, but that ugly, greasy, big boat right there, that's the oil pan. That's all aluminum. That's aluminum. We're gonna see how well that fares up to my truck when it gets done. Oh, that's my Titanic starter. So, but we're gonna make this a little short because it takes 2 days for me to download videos. There's my transmission, sitting all by itself. Shift tower and all the wiring, air lines for this old girl. Which tomorrow I get to start chasing down and start replacing. So, we're gonna eliminate that oil filter because don't really need it. That's the way I feel. It just kind of hangs out, not do nothing. Big AC pump. But stay tuned because I may be buying another truck. It is a different truck, special built truck like this one. But its parts are going to be harder, but it's going to be newer. It's an 87. So, stay tuned. Hit the like and subscribe. Oh, geez. I need to wash my hands. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Let me know. See ya.